Welcome to this tutorial on peer review with PlayPosit. In this video, we will walk you through the 2 steps to complete a peer review assignment. The first step is to upload the video as your submission. Please open the peer review assignment and click Start to launch the PlayPosit Bob Designer. Next, please select the video source you want to use. Your instructor may also allow you to upload the video to PlayPosit with the Upload Video button. If you have the link to the video you want to use, please click the Input URL button and paste the link to it. After the video is uploaded, please click the Review tab on the top to review your video before submitting it. You can edit the video's title or change the thumbnail image by clicking on the current image. Once you complete editing, click the Preview button to preview your video or the Submit button to turn in your assignment. Please note that you will not be able to adjust or edit the video once you submit it to your instructors. After submitting your assignment and seeing the confirmation page, please close the tab and return to the assignment in your LMS or PlayPosit. The second step is to provide feedback to your peers. Please launch the peer review assignment again. You can click on Preview Submission to view your submission. On the Give Feedback tab, you will see a list of learners in your group that you need to review and provide feedback to. Please click on their name to watch their videos. When reviewing your peer submissions, you can use the discussion forum on the sidebar to provide comments. And please make sure you watch the video to the end to complete the review process. If your instructors have enabled rubric for this assignment, please also fill out the rubric to provide points to your peers. If the status of other learners in your group is waiting for submission, that means those learners have not yet submitted their videos. Please check back later to review their submission. To view the feedback provided to you by other learners in the group, please select the View Feedback tab on the top and click the discussion icon to view the comments. If the rubric is enabled for this assignment, you can also click on the rubric icon to see the points provided by other learners based on the rubric. Your instructors will also provide feedback and points to you. Please click the Instructor Feedback tab on the top to view the feedback and points from your instructors. And now, you have completed the peer review assignment in PlayPosit.